In this video, we're gonna go over how to change the theme on Cash App, basically changing the background. So, if you want to customize Cash App's, look, you can switch between light mode and a dark mode to change the background theme. And here's exactly how you can do this step by step. So, first you need to go ahead and open up Cash App, go to your settings, right? Just go ahead and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and I want you to select appearance or display settings. Okay, now in the appearance section you'll see light mode, basically a white background with a dark text. Okay, you will also see dark mode, which is basically a black background with light text, and also system default, basically matches your phone's theme. You just tap on your preferred theme option and the app will instantly change to the selected theme. Okay? And then once you've selected your theme, make sure to tap save or simply go back to the main screen and your background will now be updated. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.